In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create template in ClickUp for beginners. If you're just getting started with ClickUp and want to save time by reusing your best setups, templates are the way to go. They let you create a repeatable structure for tasks, lists, or entire spaces, so you don't have to rebuild the same thing over and over again. Start by opening your ClickUp account and signing in. Make sure you're in the workspace where you want the template to live. Once you're in, move your cursor over the specific space where you want to add a template. You'll usually see that space listed in the left sidebar. Hovering helps reveal the quick actions tied to that space, so you're in the right context from the beginning. Next, look for the plus icon associated with that space or its views. Click the plus icon, then choose Templates. This opens the template options for the area you're working in. Think of this as your library of ready-made structures. It's designed to help you move fast while staying consistent. From here, enter the specific template you prefer. You can use the search bar or browse categories to find something that matches your workflow, maybe a content calendar, a sprint board, or a simple task checklist. When you see a template that fits, click it to preview the structure, fields, and statuses it provides. If it looks right, go ahead and click Use Template. This tells ClickUp you want to bring that setup into your space. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your new template instance or the list it creates. Give it a clear, descriptive name so your teammates immediately understand what it's for. After naming it, click Use Template again to confirm and add it to your space. ClickUp will place the new structure exactly where you're working, so there's no need to move things around afterward. Once it's added, feel free to customize everything. Adjust task names, due dates, assignees, and custom fields. Tweak statuses to match how your team actually works. Maybe you need an extra review step or want to simplify from 5 statuses to 3. You can also remove anything you don't need to keep the setup lean and focused. Remember, a template is a starting point. It should serve your process, not the other way around. That's it. You've opened your account, hovered to the right space, chosen templates from the plus icon, picked the one you want, clicked Use Template, named it, confirmed, and customized it to fit your workflow. Save time, stay consistent, and launch your projects with confidence.